Because we want our business to grow, we want to allow our Cloud PBX customers to add new phone lines when they hire new employees or activate additional features when they need them, such as auto attendant or call recording. This can be done via the self-care portal without involvement of our telco staff. But there is one important consideration. The customer should only be able to see or use a certain subset of allowed products specifically tailored to their segment, since we may have products with different pricing for various regions or customer types. The management of these allowed options for self-activation is done through a customer property called Agreements. Let's take a look at the example of Jane Doe, our test customer. When we open her customer information and go to Finances, we will see a tab called Agreement. An agreement defines the maximum quantity of products a customer can activate. In this case, Jane Doe can have up to 30 instances of the Cloud PBX product, which is a main product, and 20 instances of the Call Recording add-on product. The customer can activate a new phone line or assign call recording to an existing phone line at any moment via the self-care portal, without any involvement from our telco staff. Each month, Jane Doe will be billed based on the quantity of the products she actually uses. So these limits serve as a guard against any bill shock. If a customer needs more than 30 seats, they will need to contact our telco sales department and switch to an enterprise pricing. Agreements can be used to support another business model as well. A Cloud PBX service that is very commonly sold to small businesses is one in which, for a fixed price, the customer receives a bundle of the maximum allowed phone lines, which you remember are sometimes called seats, along with additional features such as auto attendant. If you recall, we have such a bundle of up to 5 phone lines where one can have the call recording feature activated, and the price of that bundle is $19. The main difference here is that the customer is being billed $19 regardless of whether they have all 3, 5, or 0 phone lines activated. Let's see how it works on our second test customer, John Doe. So, we are using the Cloud PBX Single Seat Zero Fees product, which is basically a clone of our existing Cloud PBX product, but without a subscription assigned, so there are no recurring fees. And the $19 per month charge is done via a subscription, attached directly to the customer. In this case, since the number of phone lines under the customer may change, we will create a $19 subscription and attach it directly to the customer. Normally, we wouldn't manually edit the agreement data for each customer, although it is possible and doing so allows us to set up very individual deals. But normally, the parameters of an agreement for a specific customer are set up automatically when the customer signs up via the online portal, or alternatively, by the PBX onboarding wizard, which receives the data from an order managed in the CRM.